In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients to Pandadoc. We'll walk through this using the current Pandadoc interface, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add people to your documents so you can send them out for review or signatures without any confusion. First, start by opening the document or template where you want to add recipients. This could be a brand new document you've just created or an existing template your team uses regularly. Make sure it's the specific file you want to send because the recipients you add will be tied to this document. Once your document is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an invite button. Go ahead and click that. A small menu will appear, and from there, choose the option labeled Recipients. This is where you'll manage who gets the document and how they're involved in the signing process. When the Recipients panel opens, you'll have a couple of options. If the person you want to add is already in your Pandadoc contacts, you can simply start typing their name or email address into the field. Pandadoc will suggest matching contacts, and you can click on the correct one to select it. This is the quickest option if your contact list is already set up. If the person isn't in your contacts yet, you'll want to add them as a new recipient. To do this, click the Add Recipient button. This will open a form where you can create a new contact directly from this screen. In the form, fill in their details. At a minimum, you should add their first name, last name, and email address, since that email is where Pandadoc will send the document. If there are additional fields available, such as company or role, feel free to complete those as well. Adding accurate information now can save time later, especially if you'll be reusing this contact in future documents. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of the email address and names. Small typos here can prevent your recipient from getting the document or make it harder to track who has signed. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, click Create Recipient. Pandadoc will save this contact and immediately add them to the recipient list for your open document. At this point, your recipient is successfully attached to the document and ready for you to assign fields or send the document when you're done editing.